Day 1 Chest and Triceps Workout Full Week Gym Plan for Muscle Growth. Exercise 1. Incline Machine Chest Press. The incline chest press machine is an excellent move to build your upper chest and give your pecs that lifted, fuller look. Sit firmly with your back supported against the pad, grip the handles at shoulder width, and press them upward while squeezing your upper chest. Lower the handles back down under full control and repeat the motion smoothly. Keep your form tight, don't rush the representatives. Perform for sets with moderate to heavy weight, 10 to 12 representatives each. Exercise 2. Flat Bench Dumbbell Press. A timeless compound chest exercise, the flat dumbbell press works your entire chest, especially the middle section. Lie flat on a bench with a dumbbell in each hand at chest level. Press both dumbbells upward at a 45-degree elbow angle until your arms are fully extended. Then slowly bring them back down to stretch your chest before your next rep. Focus on control and muscle tension, not just lifting heavy. Do 4 sets of 8 to 10 representatives for optimal muscle growth. Exercise 3. Decline Barbell Bench Press. This variation focuses on the lower chest, helping you achieve that complete, balanced chest shape. Set your bench to a decline position and lie back with your feet secure. Grab the barbell with a grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower it carefully to the lower part of your chest, then press it upward using full power. Squeeze your lower pecs at the top before lowering again. Train with heavy weight only if your form is solid. Perform for sets of 8 to 10 controlled representatives. Exercise 4. High to low cable fly. If you want to sculpt and define the lower part of your chest, this move is key. Set both pulleys high on the cable machine, grab the handles, and step forward with a slight lean. With soft elbows, pull the handles downward and toward the center of your body, squeezing your chest at the bottom. Then slowly return to the starting position to feel a deep stretch in your pecs. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives, focusing on stretch and contraction with every rep. Exercise 5. Incline Dumbbell Fly. A perfect isolation exercise for the upper chest that adds shape and separation. Set your bench to a 30 to 45 degrees incline and lie back with a dumbbell in each hand, palms facing each other. Keep a slight bend in your elbows and open your arms wide to feel a deep stretch in your chest. Then bring the dumbbells back together above your chest while squeezing hard. Use light to moderate weights to avoid shoulder strain. Perform 3 sets of 10 to 12 controlled representatives. Exercise 6. Close Grip Bench Press. This compound movement works both the chest and triceps, making it a powerful strength builder. Lie flat on a bench and hold the barbell with a close grip, slightly narrower than shoulder width. Lower the bar slowly to your mid-chest, keeping your elbows tucked in, then press up while squeezing your triceps. This move builds pressing power and improves overall arm size. Perform for sets of 8 to 10 representatives using moderate to heavy weight. Exercise 7. Cable Rope Pushdown. This is one of the best isolation moves for shaping your triceps, especially the lateral head. Attach a rope handle to the top of the cable machine and grab it with both hands using an overhand grip. Stand tall, elbows fixed to your sides, and push the rope down until your arms are fully extended. Squeeze your triceps at the bottom for a second before returning slowly to the top. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives, maintaining tension throughout the movement. Exercise 8. Single Arm Reverse Grip Cable Pushdown. Finish your workout strong with this isolation exercise that targets the inner head of your triceps. Attach a single D handle to the top pulley, hold it with a reverse, underhand, grip, and stand facing the machine. Keep your elbow tight to your body and pull the handle down until your arm is straight. Pause, squeeze your triceps, and return slowly to the start. Repeat on both sides for balance and symmetry. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 representatives per arm, focusing on control and contraction.